Okay, it's our first night.
Hey!
In Italy. Hey, what are we drinking?
We're drinking Swabi B. We could have gone to karaoke.
What you know?
Swabi B. Sorbet.
And Pinot Gris.
Pinot Gris.
Period. First night in Rome.
Day one. When you told me, I was like, it's because you rock.
Yes.
And that's why I remembered.
Okay, so tell me something.
Hey girls! First time in Villa Yama. Jealous. My villa is not even a villa, but it doesn't matter. That's what happened tonight. Happy Sorrento, babies.
Happy Sorrento. Okay.
Hey Morgan, love you. You're the best. I'm like one right here.
Those are cute too. I know. I kind of want one like right on my tail. No, I really want to get like.
Yes, I love that. I love that. You're so right.
Amazing.
Oh yes, wait, I love that. I love that. Oh, wait.
Are you? Oh, I love it. Oh, I like it. This is beautiful girlhood. What, are we doing a video?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Okay. So this is what, day 3 or something now?
No, this is like day like 5 for me.
Real, honestly, yeah. Day 5 of going out. This is Lauren.
Hey, Lauren.
And we're in fucking Sorrento, Italy.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Damn right. Wait, get a little bit of this.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, alright, say something.
What's up? It's Madsen at the English Inn.
Of course we are, of course. Hey, say a message to the camera.
Yay, say hi, camera.
Anybody else?
Guys, do you need some kebab? I'm trying to get some kebab. That's all I got. Anybody? I need a kebab.
No, it's all the kebab.
Kebab.
Hey, Rick. Look, that's my favorite part right there.
Wait, do you want to get another one of your favorites?
Got it.
2 minutes.
Are you kidding me?
Hi, I'm Mel, and I love Lauren so much. #Cleveland forever. Do you know these guys?
Yeah.
A message.
And your name?
And my name?
Yeah.
My name is Noah Allman. And
I do now.
when balls dream of being discs.
Oh, Noah. You have a message.
Live?
Yes.
My message is here in Sorrento, Italy. There's a lot of fuck shit going on in the world, but we're fucking here right now and I'm having a great fucking time.
Right. Message and your name. Go.
What do you say? My name is down.
Yeah. Say your name and a message.
What message? What? Is it a video?
Yeah.
What are people saying?
Anything. Anything you want.
You're just so wise, bro. Just say what you normally
I don't even know what he said, but.
What did you say?
I said when balls have dreamed of being
That's
discs.
stupid.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
You're weird, bro. Oh, and it's rolling. Go.
My name's Owen. When balls,
Bro, I'm not talking about
when balls dream, they don't dream about being
soccer balls.
Shut up!
This is okay. Here's my message. Here's my message. I want to retake my message.
Okay.
Bravery is not the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and moving through it.
Okay, period.
My name's Dom Santos. I'm from Susquehanna University. This is my first time outside of the East Coast, and
What?
it's new.
Okay, period.
I thought that was the whole.
Hey, beauty.
Here's a video.
Yeah.
World,
Or just me.
release the Jeffrey Epstein files.
Your name and a message.
Release the Epstein files. Say that.
I'm not gonna say that, but my name is Olivia, and we're about to get shots together, right? We're getting shots together? We're getting shots together right now. Okay, yeah, we are. Yeah, we
JJ, don't get drunk, get awesome.
Your name and a message. Go.
I love you.
No, Duluth? You're so beautiful. Like, it's insane. I'm gonna kill you. Wait, Evan.
I don't want to do anything.
You know Duluth. He has your number, right?
Yeah. Oh, we're making this happen.
It's happening.
It's happening.
No, like, I'm dead serious. Like,
Dude, I'm gonna go drink so much water so that I'm ready to make this happen tomorrow.
all right, happening.
It's happening.
Birthday to you. Say your name and a message.
I'm Juliet, and I'm having a good night.
Yes!
That's such a good picture. You better frame this.
Oh my god.
So
You
cute.
better frame
Look at this dance.
Safe getting on this. Get him in, get him in, get him in.
Make out. Make out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. EU wants.
This is such a.
This is what EU wants.
Room 6.
Room 6. Room 6. Hey.
So pretty. Where are we going?
Hey, I actually have no idea what it's called. We're going to Regina. Giovanni, Bagni. Bagni, Regina. I'm excited. Yeah, I said it all backwards.
Let's go. Yeah, I was kind of
so hungry. The like nose is so bad. It's such a height.
Paige. How do you get over there?
How are your flips?
Oh, the cameras. Right now, wait, that is so cute. Say hey.
My lips are so red. Made it to the, what is this? Regina Giovanna
Baths? They're jumping from up there. This is so cool. So many people swimming.
Did you bring the charger?
Oh no, it's still working. No, I didn't bring the charger. We're on our way to volleyball.
Is it dead?
No, it's working.
Oh, it's alive.
It has a little bit left.
By now it's gonna be like 50, 60.
Has a little bit.
Did Michigan
Say hey.
Yeah. So what are you gonna do with this?
What? Look back at it in like a year and cry probably. And I'll like randomly send a video to like you and you're gonna be like, no.
You should make like a video, like a video.
No, yeah, I will. No, I vlogged our whole Rome trip on Saturday. And then I vlogged my whole Barcelona trip on this too.
Do Michigan students?
So what are you most excited for volleyball? We're taking the train.
Sleeping.
Like 20 minutes away. Sleeping.
I'm excited to sleep
afterwards. It's so pretty here. Are you excited to play? Kendra?
What?
Are you excited to play?
Why is it inverted?
Hey, I don't know if I can see you. Oh, I can.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you guys sipping on?
Dang, really? She jumped that. Mine's an Americano that I'm still waiting to pull down.
Love. Alright, see you in Florence. Hey, Catherine.
Hi, we made it on the train.
So
It's the bougie train compared to last one.
Every time we go in tunnels, it hurts our ears.
Yeah.
It's so
Wait, let me. Oh, stop. I feel like you're not in the video.
It's basically an airplane.
Yeah, it is an airplane. Out the window.
Oh my gosh.
My 21st? When's your 21st? July 6th.
I fucking hope so!
Yay! We can do it for my 21st. Oh my god, yes! I'm gonna do my hair. Almost back to Italy and move in together.
Can we actually?
Guys, we all
I can't see you.
Guys, I'm gonna be an au pair.
Oh my god!
For all intents and purposes, it's October 18th. That's what we're gonna be telling people. It's Lauren's birthday! Lauren's 21st birthday!
I'm so excited.
Come stai? I said, Biene, grazie, you too. I was like, fuck, that's Spanish. Ooh, I like that song.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I actually can't see your faces. Wait, can you shine a flashlight?
Oh boy. Oh no.
There they are. We're at a speakeasy.
There's the Gabby.
Sweatshop.
Look at that pretty girl.
What about you?
Hi, honey.
We're gonna get drinks and we're so excited.
Give me this. Give it.
Oh. And it's Lauren's birthday!
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Sort of.
It's your birthday. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, no,
it's the 21st. Big day.
I'm so much joy. I'm so much joy.
It's only this video.
Oh gosh.
Wait, I'm leaving the room. Wait, no, I'm gonna cry. Oh, fuck. Okay, I just want to say, they're all outside, they can't hear me, that this has been hands down the greatest 4 months of my life. And it's literally just because of y'all. Like, genuinely, I can't imagine doing this with any other group of people. and I love you so much. And like, I think we could have gone anywhere in the fucking world, and as long as it was us there, like, we would have had a blast. And I'm so glad Sorrento brought us together. And I love you so much. And this isn't the end. I'm gonna see you very soon, and we're gonna stay in touch for the rest of our lives. And when we're all old and married and have children, we're gonna come back here and do it again. Yeah, anyways, I love you so much. I don't know how to turn this off, so I'm gonna go hand it back to you, but we're gonna stop later and get it all out. But love you. Lauren, I don't know how to end this. Where the hell did Lauren go? Oh. Thanks. They're locked in. They're so odd. Guys, come here.
If you're gonna get
come here. Hi, baby. Say I love Sorrento.
I love Sorrento. I heart Sorrento. I heart Sorrento.
And we must leave Sorrento.
Stop.
But we will be back. We'll be back.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Guys,
wait, finish.
Hopelessly devoted. I can't.
Feeling you push my love aside.
What? Did you hear that?
Wait, what's his?
They're so cute up there. To you.
Hopelessly devoted to you.
Aw, they're so cute. Guys, look back and smile. Aw. Wait, come here. It won't focus.
Focus on me.
There it goes.
Focus on me.
Aww.
Wait, let's wait for the gals. Come here, gals.
Corso Italia. Ciao, Grace. Oh, I can't like see you that well. Holy people! Oh. Guys, we're not gonna get drinks. We're not gonna get drinks.
Bartenders love us.
Yeah. So just give me.
Hi!
Wait, it's not focusing. Wait.
Oh, no.
Wait, let it focus. Let it focus. There we go. There we go.
Hi!
Cheers. Wait, so cute, guys.
Yes.
There's so I've never seen more people here in my life.
Well, look at my search. Does Corona make you hungover?
Oh, frick. Oh. Yeah, because we got our internships in the morning. This is awful. I'm nervous.
Haley just texted.
Hey guys. Fucking disgusting. This is so cute.
So
Wait, I love you, Lauren. Oh my god. Wait, give me a message to the camera.
Lauren, I love you so much. I hope you know that you and your light has inspired me to be a better person, to go out and be comfortable in the uncomfortable. You're amazing. You're gorgeous. I love you. I'm so happy I met you. And I hope we see each other again at some point in the future.
Oh my gosh, we're going to. You're the best. Oh my god. I miss you so bad. I miss you bad.
My verse real quickly.
Yes. I was say a message.
Oh, wow. Wait, where are we? Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Hi. Last horseshoe. Oh, so sad. I'm gonna miss being your neighbor.
I know, neighbors forever.
Look how cute they are. Look at Luca, the cameraman. Yes.
I'm a great cameraman. One more.
Oh crap. Paige, give me a tour of our study abroad bar.
Welcome to the horseshoe, everybody. It's our second study abroad bar.
Holy moly.
These are our favorite guys behind the bar.
They're doing their jobs.
Oh, I'm gonna gag. I will gag. Are you gonna take one of the shots?
No, seriously. Yeah, sorry.
Guys, be ready to
I might need to get in for the shot.
Ready, go! Wait! Hold on. Okay, cheers! Salute!
Ciao. Fuck. I'm sad. I'm sad. I won Best Pickpocketer and most likely lose my passport.
Oh yeah.
And that was pretty fire. And we're fucking going ham tonight. This is my buddy Paris. Yeah, we're just gonna rock.
This is what I told Alexander a second ago. It's a Winnie the Pooh quote.
Okay.
How lucky am I to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard?
That's so sad.
It's okay though. Bravery is not the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and moving through it. I know. Big quote guy. I'm so happy about this camera. The edit's gonna be...
Hi Lauren, I love you so much. I love you.
I love Sorrento.
I heard Sorrento.
Oh, look at your horseshoe shirt. Okay.
I love
Horseshoe. Period. Who's how far is that?
Very
Give
soon.
a message.
A message?
Yes.
It's been real.
No, give me more.
Give me more. You know,
Dolomites. Lauren's the best ever.
what's up? The earrings? I got my ears pierced in Berlin.
Woo! Pink earrings.
Yeah. Dolomites was awesome. I bought my mom a bottle of elderberry wine that took me 2 days to decipher that it was elderberry wine. And a bottle of jam, strawberry jam.
And somehow he got it home through the check.
Yeah, TSA doesn't exist here. Lauren was awesome on the Dolomites trip.
Lauren is amazing. We love Lauren. We love Lauren so much.
She's fine.
She's okay. We love her. Zoom in on that bitch right there.
I did.
Zoom in. You got a ton of hugs right now.
Say something with them. Daniel, kiss Noah or something.
I was just kidding too.
Two best friends.
Oh, I love you. I'm gonna miss you so much. We love you. If you look back on this, hugs and kisses. And yeah, we had the best time ever. So much fun. It sounded like we're singing a trick.
I love Lauren and I love Sorrento.
David.
Tell me about your study abroad experience. Go.
So I came here not really knowing anyone, but I've met so many amazing people and I've made so many new friends, and it's something I'm never going to forget.
Yeah. Great. She has to check in. I don't want to. She has to check in for a flight. No.
Oh my gosh, don't cry. It's okay.
I know.
They don't recognize my face.
No, they're crying too.
No.
Last night, Lauren, say something.
I'm really sad and I don't think my life's ever going to get
get better than this.
Real. Camcorders are cool. Whoa, that's fire.
Are you crying?
Bro, no, I'm not crying.
Are you crying?
Noah's a man. Noah doesn't.
I'm a man.
Noah's just allergic to.
I'm allergic to emotions.
Yeah.
That's not true. They'll come to
Someone was cutting onions. It was Seth. He was cutting onions. And it made me sad. I mean, cry. Well, I'm not sad.
Daniel was cutting the onions.
I wrote Noah a letter, and he's gonna cry when he reads it.
What the fucking cock and dick, dude?
He better cry when he reads it.
There's a truck. Bye, Daniel.
I don't want to go. Fuck, wait, watch out. Watch out.
Daniel!
The superlatives are okay.
I'll take those.
Oh my god, this is the tallest I've ever been.
Oh, sorry. She doesn't want to go.
He's filming this. I don't want to go.
Hey, let's film with fire skate in it on that shit.
Dude! Fucking skate
I left my board at home, but I can film some fire
I bought a longboard last year. I was like, I'll take it for 20.
That's steal. That's steal.
Yeah, I bought it for $20.
I thought about bringing my board, but the cobblestone's too much.
I have mine. So are these mine? So they're yours. Okay.
We made a mega bed. So guys, on the first night, our first ever night here, I recorded.
Oh shit, we have to watch your camcorder.
So I'm making a video. This is our last night.
The last night.
This is so sad. Paige, you were sitting right there. I was sitting right there. Calyx was sitting right here, and we were all drinking some wine.
Oh my god, I remember that.
And now we're packing. What is this?
Like, going out.
Cue the music. I just took my last shower. You look cozy, Calyx. Oops.
What?
You look cozy. It looks like a quarter zip like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cheers to our last night in Sorrento and the most amazing people and the most amazing place. I love you guys so much.
The Abroad Squad.
Salute.
Salud.
Salud.
What did you call us, Paige?
Abroad Squad. Abroad Squad.
Aww.
I like that.
The Abroad Squad.
You look like Grace drinking wine with that.
Stop that. It's not funny.
Hey guys.